Okay, a little progress here today. I've been trying a lot of different powders to see if I can get the same effect as the borax, and I couldn't until I tried copper sulfate, which is what you see in front of you there. Now, I tried zinc oxide, didn't work. It flew around everywhere, but it didn't form the striations which we saw with the borax. And I tried what other powder did I try? I think it was salt, or it might have been potassium chloride salt. I'm not sure. Sodium chloride or potassium chloride. That didn't work either. But then I tried the copper sulfate, and the copper sulfate is copper sulfate pentahydrate. And for anyone who's not sure what that means there's 5 water molecules surrounding each copper sulfate. For every copper sulfate molecule that's there. It's a bit like the old Epsom salts. So it was magnesium sulfate surrounded by 7, I think, water molecules. And borax is decahydrate. Here's a little bit of borax, what it says on it. It says decahydrate, which means there's 10 water molecules surrounding each molecule of borax. Anyway, it was interesting for me that it's copper sulfate and borax that do this. Now, can you see that? I don't want to get too close because this is a very powerful... But can you see those lines? Ow! Oh, thought I just got a shock there from my... Can you see those lines? We get the same striations. So I think that it's the water. That it's those water molecules surrounding. I'm not sure yet. Obviously, I might find something that completely disproves my idea. But I was fascinated because I did the water bridge experiment recently. Water is a very anomalous... compound in chemistry. It has a lot of anomalous features which are rather strange when you compare it to other liquids. Okay, there we go, it all stops. I've got it on the paper just because it goes absolutely everywhere, and I've been trying lots of different compounds. But once again, can you see those lines? I think that's really quite clear for me that you get the same striations. They don't hold like the borax ones did. The borax would hold even when you're when you turn the power off. It would stay there for a while. These don't, but they do the same thing. So I really do think it's the water molecules, but more experiments are required. Okay, thanks for watching.